Today, we're going to test Cristal Untouchable Tire Shine. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up, and it is a tire shine. And because these tires are absolutely dry and nasty, I thought we would hit them with this and see how well it works. I love dressing up tires, especially after you wash a car. The tires can look a little dry. Now, these aren't cleaned or anything like that, and even if your paint is shining, your eye is kind of drawn into dry, nasty tires. Now, I picked this up because it is actually supposed to be pretty good, and I will say that this is one of the cheapest tire shines out there. So if it's fairly good, you might be able to get a nice shine on your tire for a third of the price of some of the big name brands. And you can see here, it's just going to go on like this. Ooh, it is pretty damn glossy. That is for sure. Look at that. Whoa, look at that. Reflection in the tire. That is insanely shiny. Okay, look at that. Looks like that tire is nice and wet. And if we look at the front one, it is a snot. Man, I'm pretty impressed with this. It goes on like a spray. Doesn't foam up or anything like that. I'd say maybe 2 passes just to kind of get the entire tire. It really depends on how tall your sidewall is. But man, look at that. Oh man, I'm impressed with this. This is pretty sweet. It definitely makes the tire shiny, and it is, you know, it's like $5 a can. I think $4.99. So picking up a couple of these is going to be a really good deal as opposed to some of the other tire shines that are $15, $20, $25 a can. And I would say, as far as I can tell right now, this looks as good as any of them. Hey, if you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.